Story Listening Kit Introduction. We have two courses. One is Story Listening Method course, and the other is an underlying theory course behind story listening and guided self-selected reading. Story listening is a highly effective method to teach a language that uses research-backed techniques. At first, story listening might seem easy, but to become good at teaching using the story listening method, you will need some practice. Story listening uses pictures not only to help students understand the words that the teacher is using, but also story listening uses pictures to help students understand the flow of the story. There are 3 different ways you can use these kits. The first one is that you can just show the demonstration video to your students and use the materials that we provide in the kit for supplementary resources. They are the text of the story and the prompt of vocabulary for the students. The second way is to follow my demonstration video and the prompter closely and even replicate them. It will help you become more proficient in delivering a story optimally. The third way is that as you become more acquainted with the story listening method, you can use these kits as references while you develop your own style. What is included in each story listening kit? There are 3 things included in a kit. The first one is a demonstration video. The second is a text of the story. And the third is a prompter. The prompter has 2 kinds. One is for the students, and the other is for the teacher. So the teacher's prompter includes the words with drawings and some information about the words like synonyms and definitions and how to explain and the examples of a sentence using that word. Now, the text of the story also includes some information. The first one is the total words. The second is the list of the K2 words used in the text. And the third information is the percentage of the K1 and K2 words used in the text. And the next is the list of the low-frequency words used in the text. And the last information is the list of the academic words used in the text. So this information will help you prepare and tell the story effectively to your students.